Load your family into the 2019 Kia Sorento. It features all-wheel drive versatility, an automatic transmission, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, a leather steering wheel, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Kia also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.